Hello, TESOL students. In the muddiest point, a student asked, how do you enable the anonymous user label on a shared document? So as you remember, we were writing on a document and you didn't see the names, and which is cool. Then the whole class writes on the board, and some students, they feel confident when they're anonymous. So let's look here. So we have anonymous animals in Google Doc. So there are two ways to share your document. One is to invite people, and another way is to drop the link. You can just copy and paste the link and everybody can access that way. So if you invite individually, the names are going to show up. But if you don't invite individually, just share the link, everyone's going to be anonymous. So for example, here, if I want to share this, I'm just going to go to change to everyone. So here is the link. I copy this and I can have people to edit. Everyone can participate as anonymous. However, if I invite someone here and click on OK, if that person edit, the name's going to show up. Hope it's helpful.